Good afternoon, children. The chapter Poverty as a Challenge has been taken from your book Economics. This is a very interesting and inspiring chapter from your book. In the class, we have discussed about poverty, that how poverty appears as a challenge before us. Now, in this video, once again, I am going to clear the concept of this chapter. When we try to introduce this chapter, we find out that in our daily life, we meet many people who are extremely poor, and its reason goes to them because many people are landless laborers, and many people who are living in overcrowded झुग्गीज इन सिटीज. इसका कहने का तात्पर्य है कि जब आप शहर में जाते हैं तो देखते हैं कि इतनी अधिक ओवर क्राउडिंग एरिया है कि लोग ब्रिज के नीचे, रेलवे स्टेशन के पास, सड़कों के किनारे टेंट डाल डालकर झुग्गियों में रह रहे हैं, और वहाँ पे उनकी इतनी अधिक पॉपुलेटेड एरिया है जिसको देख करके ये लगता है कि डेफिनेटली दोज आर पुअर पीपल. तो दोज पीपल आर डेली वेज वर्कर. उनका प्रतिदिन का जो जीवन यापन है, उनकी लिविंग है, वो उनकी डेली वेज पे चलती है. प्रतिदिन वो कमाने खाने वाले इंसान होते हैं. एट कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट आर चाइल्ड वर्क in dhabas, and their children also work in dhabas to earn their living. They could also be beggars with children in tatters. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. And in India, many peoples are working the working as beggars. The children are also begging in the cities. In fact, when we try to find the calculation about poverty, we find that each fourth people is poor in India. This means roughly 270 million or 27 crore people in India live in poverty 2011-12. और जब 2011-12 के हम कैलकुलेशन की बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट, तो वी फाइंड आउट वेरी इजीली दैट इन इंडिया एट दैट टाइम 27 करोड़ पीपल्स आर एक्सट्रीमली पुअर. This also means that India has the largest single concentrations of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. And this calculation shows that India is one of the greatest place where the world's great quantity of poor people live, and this is also great challenge for us, for our government to illustrate, to solve the problem, to solve this fact that how we will remove poverty from our country. This is a great challenge before us. Students, in this chapter here are some example, and in this chapter it has been cleared to clear your concept between two places related to urban and rural case. Here this story belongs to urban case because you know that in urban area and also in rural area the peoples have different life. They have different type of living sense. They have different type of struggle. So in this passage, in this story, we have to see the story of a worker who live in urban area. Now let's see. 33-year-old Ram Saran works as a daily wage laborer in a wheat 4 mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He managed to earn around rupees 1500 a month when he finds employment which is not often. This is the story of a old labor Ram Sharan who work in a daily labor, who is a daily laborer and work in a flour mill. The place is situated at Ranchi in Jharkhand. This man's earning is only 1500 in a month. And the money is not enough to sustain the family of six that includes his wife and four children aged before 12 years to 6 months. But this money is not enough to sustain the family. Means this money for 1500 के इस मनी के बल पर राम शरण अपनी फैमिली को अच्छी तरह से सस्टेन कर ले, फैमिली का लुक आफ्टर हो जाए, इट इज टोटली इम्पॉसिबल. He has to send money home to his old parents who lives in a village near Ramgarh. And along with the six members of his family, Ram Saran has also to care of his parents, the parents who live in village in Ramgarh. His father, a landless laborer, depends on Ram Saran and his brother who lives in Hazaribagh for sustenance. Ram Saran and his brother, they were two brothers, and father was a landless laborer. And father was landless labor. He fully depends over his two sons. Ramsaran lives in a one-room rented house in a crowded basti in the outskirts of the city. It is a temporary shack built of bricks and clay tiles. Students, in this story, all these facts has been cleared not to listen you a story, but all this story of a Ram Saran clear your concept. It will clear your concept. What is the meaning of poverty? How the people struggle in this country. You see here, रामसरन सिटी में एक छोटा सा काफ़ी घनी बस्ती में एक टेम्पररी बने हुए ईंट और मिट्टी के से बने हुए एक टेम्पररी वो घर में रहता था और उसी में पूरे परिवार का जीवन यापन वो करता था. His wife Santa Devi works as a part-time maid in a few houses and managed to earn another rupees 800. उसकी wife, she was also very faithful for her husband, and also after working as maid, she helped 800 of money to his husband to maintain the facilities of family. They manage a meager meal of dal and rice twice a day, but there is never enough for all. पूरे दिन की मेहनत के बाद उनको किसी प्रकार से 24 आवर में दो बार उनको भोजन मिल पाता था, चावल और दाल, लेकिन वो भी पर्याप्त मात्रा में नहीं मिल पाता था. But there's never enough for all of them. His elder son worked as a helper in a tea shop to supplement the family income and earns rupees 300. उसके परिवार में जो तीसरा इनकम था उसके लड़की का था. He also worked as a labor at a tea shop and he also earned 300. This income was also a great help for the Ramcharan's family. While his 10 years old daughter takes care of the young sibling. Sibling में छोटे बच्चों को बोलते हैं sibling. रामचरण के जो छोटे बच्चे थे उनका देखभाल उसकी बड़ी लड़की जो 10 years की थी वो देखभाल करती थी. None of the children go to school. They have only 2 pairs of hand-made down clothes. Each new ones are brought only when the old clothes become unwearable. In this story, you can see, student, the family has no education. Ramsaran was not able to send his school to his school because he was unable to pay the fees. And all the family members had only 2 dresses, and they got another dress when the old clothes become unbearable. मीन्स जब एक कपड़ा बिल्कुल पहनने लायक नहीं रह जाता था तभी उन्हें दूसरा कपड़ा मिल पाता था. सुजार लग्जरी जूते के तो बारे में वो सोच ही नहीं सकते थे. वो तो उनके लिए एक सपने की तरह था, ऐसा आराम की तरह था. द यंगर किड्स आर अंडर नरिश्ड में जो छोटे बच्चे थे उनको तो पौष्टिक आहार मिलता ही नहीं था. दे नेवर थिंक अबाउट नरिशमेंट. कहाँ से नरिशमेंट के बारे में सोच पाते. दे हैव नो एक्सेस टू हेल्थ केयर व्हेन दे फॉल. और अगर वो बीमार पड़ जाएं तो उनके पास पैसे इतना नहीं थे कि वो अपनी इलाज भी करा पाएँ. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस स्टोरी में आप देख सकते हैं कि हाउ रामचरण एंड हिज फैमिली सफरिंग सो मच बिकॉज दे आर पुअर. दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम पॉवर्टी. And this is a great example to clear the concept of poverty for you. And in the next video, I will proceed the chapter in rural case where we will clear another video that is related to a rural case, and after that you will make a comparison between rural and urban area, and finally you will yourself tell me that which areas person are suffering so much and what are the chief cause of their suffering, why they are suffered, why they have suffered so much. All the things will clear in this chapter, but you have to concentrate yourself one by one topic in this chapter to find out all the answer clearly. Okay, that's okay.